The type of Datacolor service that is right for your company depends on if you have hardware, software, or a mix of both. No matter what Datacolor products you have, proper maintenance is a critical piece of any efficient, streamlined color management program. You invested a lot of time and resources into the decision to implement color management tools, so you'll want to make sure your investment is protected with a Datacolor service contract. If you have a spectrophotometer, you'll want to consider three main types of service. Maintenance. Like car insurance, we cover 100% parts and labor of your spectrophotometer in the event something breaks. If need be, we offer a loaner because we understand that even brief downtime is unacceptable in our fast-paced world. Repair service. A yearly service to ensure your instruments are running properly, giving you and your customers peace of mind. Preventative service. We utilize Guardian Diagnostic Device to catch potential issues before they occur. Your customers often require the documentation provided by Guardian to prove your equipment is properly calibrated and capable of meeting their standards for color. If you are using Datacolor applications, complimentary training comes with all new instruments and associated softwares. Our experts can help you install, then provide employee training either in person or remotely, help configure your database, and customize and/or analyze your workflow so you are operating at optimal performance. All future applications training comes in either 5, 10, or 16-hour increments. 5 or 10-hour agreements are recommended for yearly, web-based troubleshooting with one of our applications experts. Our 16-hour agreement provides the optional additional benefit of on-site training for new employees or tenured employees who could benefit from a refresher course. What are the benefits of Datacolor service besides certification, smooth operation, and employee training? We offer local support in your language. Our support team is comprised of industry experts who come from many of the industries that they now service. Brands around the world recognize our verification and certification services as the pinnacle of proof that your color management program is top-notch. Want more proof? See what our customers have to say. Datacolor service, helping you continue to get color right.